In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most kind. Assalamu alaikum to all my shining stars. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. It's me, Asra Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My dear students, today we are going to complete the exercise of unit number 12. So please open your textbook, page number 86, and keep your lead pencils in your hands. So the first one is complete each statement below by writing the word or words that name the most likely entry. Some words are used in the sentence and some options, some choices are given. You will choose the correct one according to that statement. Nora wants to learn about polar bears. She should look up polar bears. This is the correct answer. You will mark tick on polar bears. Kareem wants to read about violence. He should look up violence. Ahmed wants to learn about biology. He should look up biology. Mahmoud wants to find out how maple syrup is made. He should look up maple syrup. Mariam wants to find out about Mars. She should look up Mars. Language and arts. Next one is punctuation of a sentence. We begin the first word of a sentence with the capital letter. Beta punctuation, there are some punctuation marks which are used with the sentences or with words. So to make it more meaningful. So whenever we start writing a sentence, the first letter is always capital, and at the end, if it is a complete sentence, we put question mark. And in some sentences, if there is a question, we put question mark. If there is a series of items, we use comma, sign of exclamation, colon, semicolons, etc. So here are some examples. We went home early. We use period or full stop at the end of statement or command. Okay, if the sentence is complete, it is a statement or it is a command, we put full stop, and full stop is also called a period. Full stop को हम बेटा period भी कहते हैं. Stand up and answer my question. So this is also a complete sentence. We use a question mark at the end of a question. If there is a question, we use question mark. Do you like to play baseball? So this is a question. We put question mark at the end. We use an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamation sentence. Exclamation sentence के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Exclamation mark. For example, how pretty is the child? So we used exclamation mark at the end. Okay, beta, come on the next page. Rewrite the sentences using a capital letter where needed and add punctuation marks where necessary. Rashid wants me to visit him London. So Rashid R will be capital. बेटे नेम के साथ हम नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा हम कैपिटल लिखते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ यूज्ड इन द मिडल, इन द बिगनिंग और इन द एंड. जहाँ भी कोई किसी भी शख्स का या किसी भी पर्सन का नेम आता है, वो चाहे मिडल में हो या एंडिंग में हो या बिगनिंग में हो, उसका फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा किसी भी नेम का कैपिटल आता है. First letter of the name is always be capital. Rashid R will be capital, and Rashid wants me to visit him in London, and at the end of London you will mark full stop. You will put full stop and L of London will be capital. Will you go now? W of will be capital. Then you will write same sentence and at the end you will put question mark. I don't know, same sentence, at the end you will put full stop. Perhaps I'll go next summer. P will be capital of perhaps, and the sentence will be same, remaining sentence will be same, and at the end you will put full stop. Maybe I'll go with you in August. M will be capital of May. Same sentence, A of August will be capital, and at the end you will put full stop. What a nice idea it is. W will be capital, and at the end you will put exclamation mark. Would you mind if I came with you? W of would will be capital, and at the end there will be question mark. Come along, don't worry. Come, C will be capital after along, comma, and at the end you will put full stop after worry. Are you sure? A will be capital, and at the end there will be question mark. Of course I am. O will be capital, and at the end there will be full stop. Next is writing skills. Story structure. Fill out this story sheet. Title, main characters, problems and solutions. बेटा जब कोई भी आप स्टोरी लिखते हैं तो उसमें ये चीज़ें डिस्कस होती हैं. उसका सबसे पहले टाइटल, मेन कैरेक्टर्स, फिर उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या था और उसका सॉल्यूशन क्या था. A story has 3 parts. A beginning which shows the setting, when and where the story took place. ठीक है बेटा, बिगनिंग होती है, उसमें ये बताया जाता है कि स्टोरी कहाँ और किस तरह से वो वहाँ पे प्लेस टुक इट, हाउ इट टुक प्लेस. द मेन कैरेक्टर्स, उसमें कैरेक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं. एंड द कॉज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम की वजह क्या है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है. अ मिडल, व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम रीचेज इट्स हाइट, जब प्रॉब्लम अपनी हाइट पे पहुँच जाता है तो वो मिडल होता है. एट द एंड, एंड एंड, द एंड शोज हाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड, द या हाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज रिजॉल्व्ड. मतलब एंड पे क्या होता है, प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व हो जाता है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाता है. और वो किस तरह से होता है ये इसके सोल्यूशन में या एंड पे डिस्कस होता है. Look at the sentences below. Write B next to the sentences that belongs to the beginning of the story. Write M next to the middle and E next to the sentence that belongs to the end of the story. अब आपने बेटा बिगनिंग, जो स्टोरी के बिगनिंग के सेंटेंसेस हैं उनके साथ B आएगा, मिडल के साथ M और एंडिंग के साथ E. Monkeys came to a lake they didn't know about. This is the beginning. You will write here B. Then a giant rose up from the lake. This is middle. You will write here M. The wise monkey moved round the lake. This is also middle. Write here M. The monkey said no, it is the first straw. This is ending. You will write here E. The giant roared, I will eat you all. This is middle. You will write here M. The monkey put one end of the reed in his mouth. This is ending. E. This forest is not a safe place. This is beginning. B. The giant asked, is it the last drop? This is E, ending. This is all about today beta. Now your exercise has completed. Now you will learn all the exercise complete. After completing the exercise you will learn. This is all about today. Have a nice day. Take care and Allah Hafiz.